Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off promotion notifications on Temu. So to turn off promotional notifications in Temu, so open the Temu app. Now at the bottom, so in the center, tap on You. Once you do that, at the top right, besides the headphone icon, tap on that. So that's your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications. Then from here, look for promotions. Then tap on edit, the one with color orange, tap on that. And disable promotional categories such as deals, offers, marketing messages, or sales alerts while keeping order updates enabled if you want them. So if you want to turn off promotions, turn off push. So toggle it off just like so. You can also turn off in-app notifications. So toggle that off too, and that's it. So once that's done, go ahead and scroll down and here you can see order updates. You can turn that off too. So toggle it off just like so. You can also turn off or disable chat messages, customers activity, avatar and username sharing. Now, if Temu is still sending push notifications, you can block them in your phone. So in Android, you can go to settings, then go to notifications, then go to app notifications and look for Tamu, then turn off notifications or disable only promotional ones if available. On iPhone, go ahead and open settings, then scroll down to notifications, then scroll down and look for Tamu, open it, then turn off allow notifications, or you can also customize alert types down here. So toggle off allow notifications just like so and everything will be disabled. And that's basically it. I hope that solves your problem.